Hi, my name is Kevin from Acknowledge. Now, what makes a good Crestron control system? Far too often, we come across clients who are not happy with their system. And far too often, that leads to them questioning the product. And that's a shame. You know, there's much more to it. When you'll be doing a Crestron install, you'll be doing system design, a network, you'll be doing programming and the install. If one or more of these variables are not set up properly, you won't achieve a good user experience. It's like buying expensive hardware for a home theater, not installing it correctly, or having no audio calibration, and you won't have a good result. Now that same applies to a Crestron control system. Thanks for watching. See you next time.